Alright, today we're replacing this old tankless unit with a new Navien unit, outdoor style. We're going to re-insulate all these lines, make them all pretty and stuff. And we got the water shut off, house is drained. We're going to start cutting and doing all that good stuff. Should be good. Ooh. So we have a nest in there. Let's see what we can do. Alright, so we're gonna try some WD-40. Try to get them out. We'll see how that goes. I don't know if I'm allergic or not, but we'll find out, I guess. They're all up in there. And then we got some gel. Some cool gel just in case. So let's try. Fuck, what was that? Let's fucking try this shit. Let me see. Which one do I want to use? Nah, I need more direct hit. Let's hope it doesn't fail. It's so fucking running. Not so bad, I don't want to do this, but I gotta get these suckers out. I don't want to get stung. And then just do some cool gel. Okay, actually finish them off. You can go there. Oh, look at these nitpicks. There we go. Fortunately, that's how you do it. Alright, we're just going to disconnect everything. The water supply, the gas, and these service kits. Disconnect those. We'll be reusing the TMP line and the condensating line. Just because why not? And yeah. See you all in a bit. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We don't need that. That's fine. Here we go.
So I'm not,
I'll unlock my van. Should be
do
good.
it again in a few minutes because it locks back.
Okay, yeah. Oh, there we go. Look at that beauty. See. Not so Alright. Let's get these lines. Let's get them insulated. Wow. Here we go, first startup of this tankless. We're gonna spray that black iron pipe, make it look like the rest of it. It is 26, 5, 7. Oh, you get this off and that's inside. Okay, I guess you're done. Natural gas. Okay, natural. No circulation. We're just gonna test it on 125 and put it back. Should be good. Let's give it a shot. First time starting up. Alright, we just finished up the tankless. Insulated the lines going up, strapped them. And yeah, that's it. Probably keep the cover on. Yeah, fuck it. So that's it. Let's drop it back down for legal purposes. And should be good. Box, everything's picked up. All the trash is picked up. We're ready to go on. I spray painted that line, that black iron line for the gas. It's a 3/4 line. There's not really much to say.